Replace and update in list values. We can update using index and using slicing also. Suppose if I take list 1 10 20 30, here this is the 0 1 2 are the index of the 10 20 30. List 1 of 1 I am replacing this 20 to 99. After printing list 1, it got changed to 91 99 from 20. Suppose if using slicing, I taken 10 20 30 40, index values 1 0 1 2 3 1 2 3 I am using, this is slicing, and 70 80 90, and the index of 1 value changed to 70, 2 value changed to 80, and index 3 value changed to 90. This is the replace and update in list values in Python programming in Python. If you like more videos